The Molality Interactive Calculator solves for molality and related concentration parameters in chemical solutions. Let's explore the calculator's features. At the top, you'll find the Calculation Mode drop-down menu with 6 options: Calculate Molality, Calculate Solute Mass, Calculate Solvent Mass, Calculate Molar Mass, Calculate moles of solute, and Convert from molarity to molality. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Molality. The input fields include moles of solute in mol, mass of solvent in kg, mass of solute in g, molar mass in g mol, molality in mol kg, molarity in mol L, solution density in gml, and solute molar mass in g mol. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for moles of solute, 10 for mass of solvent in kilograms, 10 for mass of solute in grams, and 10 for molar mass in g mol. After clicking Calculate, the primary result shows molality equals 1,000 mol kg. The verification section confirms we have 10,000 moles of solute dissolved in 10,000 kilograms of solvent. This molality of 1,000 means there's exactly 1 mole of solute per kilogram of solvent, demonstrating the calculator's precision for concentration calculations. Find the link in the description below.